We have got two exclusive leaks about the upcoming Nothing Phone 2a Plus that are sure to catch your interest. The Phone 2a Plus is set to launch on July 31st, 2024, and it will be an enhanced version of the Phone 2a, featuring the Dimensity 7350 Pro chipset. In our recent videos, we covered the key specifications of the Nothing Phone 2a Plus. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and check our recent videos for more details. Let's dive in. A well-known tech insider, SmartPreaks, leaked exclusive design renders of the Phone 2a Plus, showcasing the retail box and the device itself in a metallic gray finish. The Nothing Phone 2a Plus closely resembles the Nothing Phone 2a. The leaked images reveal a silver and gray metallic finish on the back, which introduces an exciting new color for the Nothing Phone series. One significant change is the squarish element on the top half of the right side of the phone, now white instead of red. The device also features 3 glyph LED lights, similar to the Phone 2a. The box of the Nothing Phone 2a Plus is nearly identical to that of the Phone 2a, with the addition of the Phone 2a Plus text. In terms of specifications, the Nothing Phone 2a Plus will have the same 6.7-inch, 1080p, 120Hz OLED display with a peak brightness of 1300 nits and an HDR brightness of 1100 nits, protected by Gorilla Glass 5. The second leak comes from Nothing's official X account, formerly known as Twitter, confirming that the upcoming Nothing Phone 2a Plus will feature 3 50-megapixel cameras, 2 on the rear panel, and 1 50-megapixel selfie camera on the front, which aligns with recent reports. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main camera and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, likely the same as the Phone 2a, but with an upgraded 50-megapixel front camera instead of the previous 32-megapixel. The Nothing Phone 2a Plus will offer support for 4K video recording across both front and rear cameras, along with HDR images and HDR10+ playback. The battery remains at 5,000 mAh but now supports 50-watt wired charging, an upgrade from the 45-watt on the Phone 2a. What sets the Phone 2a Plus apart is the Dimensity 7350 Pro 5G processor, making it the first smartphone to launch with this chipset. The company claims that the new device will offer nearly 10% faster CPU performance than the Phone 2a, and features 2 Cortex-A 715 cores clocked at 3 GHz and 6 Cortex-A 510 cores paired with the Mali G610 MC4 GPU. The phone will be available in gray and black, with UFS 3 storage options of either 8 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage or 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage. Overall, the Nothing Phone 2a Plus is a slightly improved version of the Phone 2a, with minimal changes, as previously stated by Nothing's co-founder Akis on his X account, formerly known as Twitter. The Nothing Phone 2a Plus is anticipated to be priced higher than its sibling, the Nothing Phone 2a, given the enhancements and improvements. The expected cost for the Phone 2a Plus is approximately $380. So, what are your thoughts on the design of the Nothing Phone 2a Plus? What changes would you like to see in the upcoming Phone 2a Plus? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. We have also made a video that will help you make a sound decision whether you should buy Phone 2a or Phone 2a Plus. Be sure to check it before making a buying decision. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.